A day is 24 hours long. 24 mud-soaked, sun-blistering, sweat-dripping hours. There are fields that need to be tilled, buildings that need to reach a little higher into the sky, mountains to be moved. There are those tough days, and of course, the tougher ones. Coming in late, going home early, those really aren't options. There's work to get done, and getting it done is a team effort. We are bonded by a vision of better highways, abundant energy, and rich agriculture, and an economy that is once again envied. Together, we accomplished some remarkable things. Our legacy started over 80 years ago when we rolled up our sleeves and got down to business. Ever since then, HOLT has built a sort of partnership with our customers, providing expertise in this hard work with a bold spirit. For 5 generations, the HOLT family has worked shoulder to shoulder with our customers, and we'll be there for generations to come, because HOLT is always moving forward.
We believe that honesty and integrity are characteristics that you live by.
Regardless of your position,
Everyone in the company.
From the top down.
We're a values-based business, and that will never change. Not as long as our name is on the side of your equipment.
We're there 24/7 with parts and expert technical advice. We are proud of our support with the best repair capabilities in the business, which means we can rebuild your machinery to save your hard-earned cash. We're in this together, you and over 2,000 HOLT employees. Each is dedicated to one thing, being there to help you get through the next day of tough work. We don't just offer one solution, in the same way we couldn't offer just one service. HOLT and you together. That's a bond you can count on.